Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious green chili pickle. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh green chilies, making sure they are firm and bright. We'll also use a blend of aromatic spices such as mustard seeds, fenugreek, turmeric, and a pinch of asafoetida. Don't forget a half cup of mustard oil and a quarter cup of white vinegar to create that perfect tangy base. This combination ensures a vibrant and flavorful pickle. Now let's get our ingredients ready for the pickling process. Begin by washing your green chilies thoroughly and drying them completely to prevent spoilage. Next, carefully slit each chili lengthwise, leaving the stem end intact. For the spices, gently roast your whole mustard and fenugreek seeds for a minute or two, then grind them into a coarse powder. Finally, heat your mustard oil until it just starts to smoke, then let it cool down a bit before mixing. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your slit green chilies with the freshly ground spices, turmeric, asafoetida, and a generous amount of salt. Now, pour in the slightly cooled mustard oil and the white vinegar, mixing everything thoroughly until the chilies are evenly coated. Once mixed, carefully transfer your pickle into a clean, sterilized, airtight glass jar, pressing down gently to remove any air pockets. This helps with preservation. To develop its full flavor, let your pickle cure for about 3 to 5 days. Place the jar in a warm, sunny spot and give it a gentle shake once a day. After curing, your delicious green chili pickle is ready to enjoy. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will stay fresh for several months. For easy storage and meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy pickling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.